Module 3, Section 3, MySQL Alter Table, rename, drop column in a table. How to rename and drop a column in a table. So let's suppose our manager puts another requirements like related to employee info table. Let me show you the structure of the employee info table which we used in section 2. So this is the structure of the employee info table. Here we have various fields: amp code, amp number, first name, age, mobile number. So in section 2 we have added the new columns in the table. Now in section 3 we have another requirements related to the same table. So our manager asks, let's suppose our manager asks to rename the column name employee to phone number. Okay, and he want us to delete the column amp code because of some reasons. And third requirement is change the name of the table amp info to employee details as it is more meaningful. So these things also we can do with the help of alter table command. So here is the syntax for a rename column command. So uh, syntax is alter table, table name. Here the keyword to rename a column is change column. Then you will specify original name, then new name and column definition. Then you use the, if it is optional, if you want to change the position first and after column name. So with this you can change the position of the column as well. Okay, so let's write the query for the first requirement. We want to change column name mobile to phone number. So a command would be, for first requirement the command will be alter table. Okay, alter table will be as it is. Let me write it in copy capital letter. I'm copying pasting alter table. So table name is amp info, right? Then change column will be as it is. This is the SQL keyword, right? So we'll write change column. Let me write in the new lines change column. What column I want to change, here I can specify. So original name for the column is mobile, right? Let me check in the table. So this is the original name mobile, and this is its description. Let me copy this column definition as it is. So here change column, and here the column definition, column which we want to change. And I want to give this column as new name as phone number. Okay, phone number. So this will, like this I will provide the syntax. Original name, old name is mobile, and new column name is phone number, and column definition is varchar 10. And I don't want to change its position, so not using first and after that I am straightforwardly applying semicolon. So this is the solution for the first requirement. Then second requirement is to delete the column amp code. I want to delete the column employee code, right? So for that, whenever we want to delete a column, we use drop column command. So syntax for this command is alter table, table name. Now instead of change column, I will use keyword drop column, column name. So let me write the answer for the second requirement. I'm copy pasting this command as it is. So just changing, will change the table name. So table name is amp info, amp info, and I want to delete this employee code name emp underscore code. Let me check the name emp underscore code. I want to drop this column, so I give the command alter table amp info drop column employee code. So this is my second requirement. And third requirement is we want to change the name of the table amp info to employee details. So for that we'll use the rename command, and the syntax for this command is To rename a table name is alter table old table name, then rename to new table name. So in my case, uh, we can use new old table name is info, and new table name I want to give is employee details. Let me copy from here, employee details. Okay, so here I have copied this name. So this is the solution of the third requirement, right? So hence we solve all the three requirements. So let's execute this in the workbench. Okay, so opening it in the new query tab. So let me check this. So first of all, let's check the structure of the existing AMP info table. Okay, so this is the structure of the existing AMP info table. In this, first of all, what we want to rename the mobile to phone number. Okay, so here we have written the answer. So I am copy pasting this query as it is over here in SQL Workbench. Right, so this is my command: alter table amp info, change column mobile to phone number varchar 10. So let's execute this query. Okay, this is successfully executed. Zero rows affected. Now let's check the structure whether it's renamed or not. So we have confirmed mobile field get changed to name, get column name get changed to phone number, right? Now the second requirement is we want to delete this column m number. So for that we use drop keyword with alter table command. So this is my query, and here we use the alter table amp info drop column amp code. So this column should get deleted after execution of this query. So I have executed this query. Let's check the structure of the table again. So here this employee code column get deleted. Now there are only 10 columns, while earlier we have 11 columns. Okay, now third requirement is we want to change the name of the table amp info to employee details. Okay, so for that we use rename keyword. The syntax for the command is alter table old table name amp info, rename to new table name employee details. Let's execute this. So this is successfully renamed. So let's, if I give this command, so this should not be applicable as we have renamed the command. So now I should give describe employee details, then only it will show me the schema as we have renamed it. So our table name get renamed. So here also is showing the employee details. So this is all about section 3. So let's summarize. So in this section we learn how to rename, change the name of a column, how to delete a column in a table, and how to change the name of the table. All these things can be done with the help of alter command. So this is all about this session. In next section 4 we will learn how to update records in a table. Section 4, how to update records. So till then you practice these commands and message me if you face any problem. Thank you. Bye bye.